Hi mateys, welcome to Hump Day Cocktails with your host, Matthew. Stay tuned for our first cocktail, the Hurricane.
The famous Hurricane cocktail is a staple drink in New Orleans, Louisiana. If you are there to celebrate Mardi Gras or to take part in the annual jazz festival, there is a good chance you've had one of these yourself or have seen someone else sipping on one. The drink consists of multiple citrus juices and rum. In New Orleans, you can order this over the rocks or on an icy form. The Hurricane cocktail was invented in, you guessed it, New Orleans, Louisiana in the 1940s at a bar called Pat O'Brien's on Bourbon Street. The bar allegedly started as a speakeasy called Pat O'Brien's Club Tipperary. It is a beautiful bar with a courtyard and multiple bar tops to order drinks from. The story goes that Mr. O'Brien was being forced to buy a less desirable liquor before being given access to the more preferred whiskeys and scotches. So O'Brien invented this cocktail and would hand them out to sailors. As you can see, the drink eventually caught on and became a favorite. When visiting New Orleans, Pat O'Brien's is a definitely must-see.
Alright, so let's just get right into it. So first you're going to need your traditional Hurricane glass, which this is very close, so this will suffice. You also need a shaker to get everything in correctly and mixed correctly, because if it's not, the rum is going to go to the top and that's going to be a bitey drink. So first we need 2 ounces of dark rum. So we have Bacardi here. 2 ounces of dark rum. Two ounces of white rum. Again, we have Bacardi. Get that in there. And then a major part of the Hurricane is this passion fruit juice, and we want another 2 ounces of that. And then an ounce of orange juice. And then we start getting into the less of the ingredients, and that is some lime juice. You want a 1/2 ounce of that. A little does a lot with lime juice. A 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and for simple syrup we just boiled some water and added some sugar to it. Don't need to go out and buy it, you can just make it at home. That in there. And then this you can do to taste, the grenadine, for our next ingredient. You can just do to taste, or you can just do a 1/2 ounce. That'll do you good. And then next, obviously, we need some ice. Kind of sticking to the spoon here. All right, I think that's enough. Shake her up. And then pour. All right, and then we just need to add some more ice to this. And there is your Hurricane cocktail, a New Orleans favorite. Visit us next time for the Long Island iced tea. See you then.